So here now we are starting today's class with question number 8, and here we are continuing with the chapter measures of correlation. So, in this we are studying the Carl Pearson method with a shortcut method for calculating the coefficient of correlation. So I have told you this on Monday also one question. Now we are starting our question number 8. It's just I'm solving. So first of all, here I have taken the age of husbands and age of wives as it is given in question number 8. So husband's age I have taken X variable and wife's age I have taken Y variable. So we have to take the correlation between the age of husband and age of wives. We know that it is a positive correlation because if the age of husband will increase, wife will also increase, it will not decrease. No? And age always goes on increasing. So here we have to calculate the correlation. What is the type of correlation in this data? So for the shortcut method, first of all, I will take any one number from this X series and I will take the definition. तो जब मैं नंबर होगी वो लगभग मिडिल नंबर होगी. मिडिल मतलब जैसे सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है 37 और सबसे छोटा कितना है यहाँ पर स्मॉलेस्ट इज 22. सो द मिडिल इट विल बी 13. ओके, इससे ये होता है कि मिडिल लेने से कि आपके जो कैलकुलेशंस है वो इजी रहते हैं. लेने का कुछ भी नंबर ले सकते हैं बट इफ यू टेक द मिडिल नंबर जो सीरीज में मिडिल चल रहा है नंबरिंग से मिडिल चल रहा है यू टेक दैट नंबर. So I have taken 30 as assumed mean. So I will take the derivation that is dx. Now it is 24 minus 30. Like this way you have to take the derivations. 24 minus 30. X minus 8. No? So this is minus 6, minus 5, minus 8, 0, 4 and 7. अब क्या करना है? अब dx का स्क्वायर करना है. 6 exam 36, 25, 64, 0, 16 एंड 49. ठीक है, अब ऐसे ही हमने यहाँ पर वाइफ जो है उसकी एज में से कोई से नंबर लेना है और उसकी डेफिनेशन निकालनी है. द लार्जेस्ट नंबर हियर इज 30 एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हियर इज 18. सो आई विल टेक द मिडिल नंबर. सो आई एम टेकिंग ओवर हियर 26. ओके, so I will take 26 and calculate the dx, sorry dy. So this is minus 6, minus 5, minus 8, 0, 2 and 4. Okay, now I will square this dimensions. ui square, this is 36, 25, 64, 0, 4 and 16. Now one thing I have to do now, I have to multiply dx into dy. So this is dx into dy. So this is 6 is 36, 5 5 is 25, 8 is 64, 0, 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28. Now adding up all these dx, dx square, dy square and dx into dy. So first of all I will add up. If anything is deducted, I deduct it. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे कुछ deduct नहीं हो रहा है. So 7 into 4 11 and 6 and 5 11. I can deduct it. 6 and 5 भी 11 हो गया minus का 7 8 and 10 11. So I deduct 6 this. So it is minus 8. Now, if sister come, please inform me. You come to know na? Please inform me. Now dx over to square. This is 190. Now dy का total अभी क्या बोले कुछ कर सकता है. 4 into 6 plus का है अभी 6 minus का है. And this is minus 13. और dy का square अब dx into dy 161. Okay. Now we will apply the formula for coefficient of correlation by the Carl Pearson method, and the shortcut method is n into sigma dx into dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy upon under root of n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx का whole square multiply again under root of n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square. Okay. So this is the formula for this coefficient of correlation. Okay. So applying here, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into sigma dx into dy कितना है देखिए 161 माइनस सिग्मा dx कितना है -8 और सिग्मा dy कितना है into -13. I'll keep it in the bracket upon under root of 6 into sigma dx square कितना आ रहा है 190 minus sigma dx minus 8 का whole square multiply again under root n कितना है 6 और sigma dy square कितना है 145 minus sigma dy minus 13 और इसका whole square. Okay. Now I'll solve it. So here now I have put on all the values. N is 6, sigma dx into dy 161 minus 8 into -13. All the values I have put. Now multiplying 6 into 161, I get the solution 966, and 13 8 is 104. Minus minus becomes plus. Then 190 into 6 comes out as 1140, and square of 8 is 8 8 is 64. So this is 1140 minus 64. Now again in this under root, this is 6 into 145 minus 13 the whole square of 13. Now 6 into 145 comes out as 870 minus 13. The square of 13 is 169. 13 into 13, 169. So now 870 minus 169 comes out at 701, and 1140 minus square root of 8, that is 64, comes out as 1076. Okay. Now taking the under root of this 1076, I have got it. 1076, I have made a pair from the back. This is 76 का एक पेयर बना, 10 का एक पेयर बना. Divide करेंगे इसको. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1. Okay. Now again I will copy down 76 and I double up this 3. The double of 3 is 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now I have to divide this 176 by inserting one number over here, and the same number should be there. Okay. So this will be 62 2s are, because 63 3s are will be more, because 63 are 18. So 62 2s are 124, remaining 52. Then I have to put the decimal in there, copy that 00. Now I will double the 32. जो भी क्वोशिएंट आता जाएगा उसका आप डबल करते जाएंगे नेक्स्ट डिवीजन पे. 32 पे डबल कितना आएगा 64, और अब हमें ऐसे डिवाइड करना है जैसे 5200 हमारे पास में अब आ गया डिवीजर, सॉरी डिविडेंड, और डिवीजर जो हमें लेना है 64 ऑलरेडी है, एक नंबर वहां इंसर्ट करना है, सेम नंबर वहां इंसर्ट करना है, देखना है कैसे डिवाइड होगा. तो 6 9 से हम कहते 9.9 से 54 बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टेकन एट 648 8 सा. So it comes out as 32.8 as the under root of 1076. Okay. Now the same way we have calculated the under root of 701. For this under root of 701, I have made the pairs from the back side. So this is the pair and 7 remains single. So I'll divide it as it is. What is it? 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 comes out as 3. 0 1 को हमने copy down किया और 2 का डबल कर दिया 4. अब 301 को हमने यहाँ पे ऐसे डिवीजर बनाना है कि जो नंबर यहाँ आए सेम वही नंबर वहां इंसर्ट करना है. तो दिस इज 46 6 276 माइनस से कितना हमारे पास ये 25. फिर डेसिमल लगेगा 00 कॉपी डाउन. हमने 00 को ही कॉपी डाउन करना है, या जब पेयर बनेगा उसको डबल में ही पेयर ही बनाने हैं. ओके. तो यहाँ पर आएगा हमारे पास में दिस इज 46. Okay. Now the double of 46 is 52. 524 4s are, this comes out as under root as 26.4. Okay. Now 862 upon 32.8 into 26.4. This the multiplication of 32.8 and 26.4 comes out as 865.92, and 862 upon 865.92 comes out as 0.99. So this shows the positive perfect correlation, because as you round up 0.98 it will come out as 1. Okay. So this was question number 8. So starting over here, question number 11. I have taken the age of sons as, sorry, fathers as X and the age of sons as Y. So first of all, I will take deviations. Subsequently, largest is 71 and the smallest is 59. So in the middle, I will take 65. Okay? I'll take dx. So this is minus 1, 3, 4, 7, 0, 6, minus 3, plus 2, minus 4, or plus 6. Now dx का square 1, 9, 16, 49, 0, 36, 9, 4, 16, 36. The same way I will take the divisions of dy. The largest number over here is 69. Largest number over here is 69 and the smallest number is 59. So in the middle I will take 65. Okay? So dy comes out as 0. 64 now? 0 minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 plus 3 minus 5 or minus 1. Now square of dy square 0, 1, 4, 16, 1, 25, 36, 9, 25 and 1. Now dx into dy comes out as 0, minus 3, 8, 28, 0, minus 30, plus 18, 5, sorry, 3 to the 6, 4, 5 are 20, and minus 6. अब आप इसका टोटल करेंगे, जो बच सकता है उसको काट देंगे, माइनस का 3 और प्लस कर देंगे, और माइनस का 4 और प्लस का 4, रेस्ट आप ऐड कर देंगे. This is 22. $56, 5, 176. Of dy, this is plus का 6 और ये minus का 6. Anything else? No. Plus का 3 है, माइनस के 1 3 है और ये प्लस का 3 8 है. अब हम क्या ले लेंगे, माइनस का 5 बचा है, दिस minus 10. Okay, this comes out as minus 10. Now again dy square. $118. Now dx into dy, then they can be deducted. Okay. So first of all, we will add up all the plus items, then we will take minus item. No? $80 plus का और माइनस से कितने आएंगे, 30, 36. प्लस के आएंगे हमारे पास में, ये माइनस के थे और ये प्लस के थे, माइनस के आएंगे 30 और 36 और 39, माइनस का 39, 41. Okay, 7 minus 3, 41. So this comes out as plus 41. Now the same way we will put the formula. Correlation is sigma, sorry, n into sigma dx into dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy upon under root of n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square multiplied under root of sigma dy square n into sigma dy minus sigma dy whole square. Okay. So putting the values, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 into sigma dx into dy is 41 minus sigma dx is 22, sigma dy is minus 10. Okay. Upon under root of n is 10 into sigma dx square is 176 minus sigma dx is 22 whole square multiply sigma dy square n is 10 sigma dy square is 118 minus sigma dy is minus 10 whole square. Okay. So like this we will solve it. First of all we'll put as 410 minus become plus, this is 220 upon under root of 1760 minus 22 का square क्या होगा 484 into again under root of 1180 minus 100. Sorry, 100. Okay. So like this way, you will solve it and you will get the answers. So this was your question number 11. Please practice all the questions up to question number 20, and you can take the queries by tomorrow. Okay. So here's one mistake. Here I have written plus 6, but it is minus 6. So then the total will come out for dx as 10, and for dx into dy it will come out as plus 30 because minus 6 into minus 5 30, and now the total will be 81. Okay. So please make it correction. Here also 81, and this is 810. Here I have made all the corrections. Here dx जो यहाँ पर है पहले 22 था, अब यहाँ पे मैंने 10 लिया है, 10 का स्क्वायर 100, और ये सारी कैलकुलेशंस मैंने अब जो है प्लीज see all this. I have made all the changes as it was mistaken. Okay.